Good morning, students. Now we are going to talk about adverb clause of cause or reason. Student, adverb clause of cause or reason tell us why an action was being done and why an action was performed. Okay, usually it tell us what is the reason behind an action. Okay, what is the cause behind an action. Student, if we put a question finite verb in the main clause with why, whatever the answer we get, it is our adverb clause of cause or reason. Student, these clause usually begin with subordinating conjunctions like because, since, and as. For example, see, it is a main clause. He could not attend class. If we put a question, why could he not attend classes? Answer we get as he was unwell. So, as he was unwell, it is the reason why he could not attend the class. It is our adverb clause of cause or reason. So, student, did you get me? What is mean by adverb clause of cause or reason? Students, adverb clause of cause or reason tell us why an action was performed. See another example. I do not have an apartment because I do not have money. Students, if we put a question, why do I not have an apartment? The answer I get, because I do not have money. Okay, it tells us the reason behind that behind which due to which I do not have an apartment. Okay, because I do not have money, that's why I do not have apartment. So it tells us the reason or cause behind an action. Okay, now adverb clause of result or consequence. Student, adverb clause of result or consequence tell us what happened as a result of an action. Okay, when we perform an action, so whatever result we get is called adverb clause of result or consequence. It is usually introduced by subordinating conjunctions like that and is frequently preceded by such as also in the main clause. Example, she spoke with such authority that no one questioned her. Student, in this sentence, if we put a question with main clause, what happened as a result when she spoke with such authority? So whatever the answer we get is, that no one questioned her. So it is the adverb clause of result or consequence. That no one questioned her. Okay, it is the adverb clause of reason or result or consequence. Okay, because it tells us what is the result of an action. Okay, what is the result behind an action. Another point is, since you are not listening to me, I refuse to talk to you. Student, tell me whether it is an adverb clause of result or adverb clause of reason. Actually, student, it is the adverb clause of reason because it tells us, you, since you are not listening to me, I refuse to talk to you. So here we can put a question, why do I refuse to talk to you? The answer we get, since you are not listening to me. Okay, so it tells us the reason. Okay, it tells us the reason why do I not talk to you. Okay, it does not show us the result. Adverb clause of result show us the result or consequence. It shows us what happened as a result of an action, and adverb clause of reason show us the cause behind an action due to which the action was performed. Okay, so this is the adverb clause of cause or reason.